Hi, American Lit class. Just want you to know I miss you guys. I miss being in school with you. This is week 3 for you guys for school. It's actually been a month since we've been together, which is just not right, but it is what it is right now. I've been watching Maggie and Cohen get through their schoolwork, and Maggie's English teacher, man, she's rough. The other teachers get it. The other teachers get that, these are different times, these are different circumstances. We need to allow the kids some flexibility, but Maggie's English teacher is putting up really difficult assignments every day for her to accomplish. And I just want to let you know that that's not our purpose here. And hopefully you're not feeling overwhelmed by everything. And if you are, just let us know. We're not about that. I don't want you to be stressed out like that. This week, you'll be reading one short story by Langston Hughes called Thank You, Ma'am. And there are some questions to follow. I want you to think about the themes of this story, especially in relationship to the Harlem Renaissance. Last time, I asked you guys to think of things when it came to the lynching art that we did, the painting, the poem, the song. And many of you, if not all of you, really struggled on how to come up with a theme that fit all of those. And so I want to take a minute to talk to you about that. When we looked at the painting called Rainbow of Colors or Family Tree, and we read Abel Meeropol's poem and listened to the song Strange Fruit, there was nowhere in there where it said don't lynch or lynching is bad. But what you got from all of those was the feelings and the reality of lynching. And I think that the message that was sent out was specifically to the KKK, saying, before you lynch, feel the responsibility of what you're doing and just feel what you're doing to families and to people. And I would write it like that. I would write the theme as, before you lynch someone, think about and feel what you're doing. Let's see. We will no longer have whole class meetings. It just wasn't working out for people, right time or anything like that. So we won't do that anymore. But if you'd like to visit, just meet with me one-on-one or just say hi, please request a video chat. I would love to see you, and I'd love to talk to you and hear what you're doing to get through this time. All right, I guess that's it. I hope you have a good week. Bye.